Grab an empty plastic bottle and remove the cap. Don't toss it. You'll need it later. Using a small saw, carefully cut off the neck of the bottle. Make sure the cut is clean and even. Now, take the cut section of the bottle and fit it into the broken broomstick. Slide it in snugly. It should sit tight. To secure it firmly, use 2 screws to fasten the bottle piece to the broomstick. This will keep it stable and sturdy. Next, grab the saw again. This time, we'll focus on flattening the base of the broom's broken holder. Carefully trim and smooth it out until it's level and ready for the next step. Now, take the cap from the plastic bottle that you saved earlier. Place it on the flattened broom holder base and secure it using a few screws. Make sure it's tightly attached. This step is key to the transformation. If you're unsure about the tools, don't worry. I've listed everything you'll need in the description so you can check it out later. Finally, twist the broomstick back into place. And voila! You've just given your broken broom a brand new life, ready to tackle any cleaning challenge. How many times have you tossed a broom just because the stick broke or the base got loose? What we just created is an ingenious way to repurpose your broken broom. Instead of throwing it out, you've turned it into a fully functional cleaning tool that's as good as new.